The Strategic Award is an award from the Wellcome Trust for studying the biological basis of mental health problems. And we know that mental health problems are a huge unmet burden in society. And we're going to need real effort from a number of different quarters to try and solve these major health difficulties.
So what's different and unique about this award is the team of scientists that have been assembled to tackle this problem. It contains a huge range of disciplines and expertise drawn from schools across the university.
We have to marshal two of the major strengths of the university: the world-leading expertise in biological and psychiatric genetics, and also our world-leading expertise in neuroscience.
And so there are really two things we're looking at. First of all is, can we understand something about the mechanisms of the disease, and can we also understand something about the mechanisms that would lead to therapy?
The headline is, of course, we're trying to understand what goes wrong in the brain of people with severe psychiatric disorders. But that's a huge task. We're not going to come up with a cure for schizophrenia in 5 years, but that's ultimately where the work is heading for, trying to develop an understanding of the mechanisms so that we can develop new drug and identify new drug targets and develop new treatments.
And in a way, it's kind of turning psychiatry on its head. So rather than starting off with a diagnosis that has been used in psychiatry, for example, this person has schizophrenia, this person has ADHD, and this person has autism, we're actually going to start from the bottom and work up. From the bottom, what I mean is to take advantage of discoveries that have been made at Cardiff University in the risk genes for these neurodevelopmental disorders.
We have some really clear-cut leads, especially from genetics, that mean we can take these findings into model systems in the laboratory, be they cellular systems or other forms of model systems, and we can even study non-invasively patients themselves using imaging and using cellular material derived from patients. And this gives us a fantastic opportunity to go from the clinic to the laboratory in psychiatric disorders in a way that we just haven't been able to do before.
The way in which the DEFINE programme has been set up, where we have shared working across a number of disciplines, where key individuals get together and they work together on a common problem, is the way in which research is going to go in the future, and it's good to be doing this here in Cardiff.